guys, it's me, Nicole,
and me, Brooklyn.
And today
we're going to be
making
doing
kids cooking, and we're going to be doing creamy mac and cheese. So we have our ingredients list.
So yeah, we have 2 to 3 cups of macaroni noodles, and then we have our ingredients for sauce. 1/3 cup butter.
1/3 cup of all-purpose flour.
And then 2 cups of milk.
1/2 teaspoon of mustard.
1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder.
1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
And then 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese.
And last but not least, salt and pepper to taste.
So now we are going to start by boiling our water. So you're going to want like a pan, like a saucepan. And then you're going to want to put the oven on high. And then you're going to want to take the pan.
You want to take the pan and then you want to fill it with warm water. And you're going to want to fill it probably like about here. Okay, and then you put it on the stove.
And then once you put this on, to put the water on, you're going to want to like do like 2 shakes of like salt, like 2 things of salt.
And okay, after it boils, then we put in the noodles.
And it can be any type of noodles.
Any type of noodles that you like.
Yeah.
So now you turn on the oven to medium. Like that.
And then you're going to want to cut 1/3 cup of butter. Then you're basically just gonna wanna put in the butter. You're gonna want to put in your butter. Then you're going to want to whisk this around and basically until it gets smooth. Slowly whisk it until it gets smooth.
And then you're gonna want to slowly
wait until it gets melted.
And then you're gonna want to slowly sprinkle flour into the pan.
Until it gets smooth. Oven down to low. And we're gonna alternate the cheese with the milk. So we're gonna pour in a little bit of milk and a little bit of cheese. So we're gonna keep mixing. Okay. So we have mild cheddar cheese, and we have cheddar jack cheese, and we're gonna continue mixing it until it will basically get a little bit liquidier. Smooth. And like smooth. And again, we're just gonna keep doing this slower. Yeah, we're gonna do it slow and it will get soft and creamy. Alternate. We're gonna alternate it. We're gonna pour in a little bit of the cheese again. We're gonna put in some more cheese. Basically, you can see we have almost like a creamy mixture. Slowly, we're gonna mix it. We're gonna slowly mix it, continue to alternate our cheese and our milk into our saucepan. And yeah, we're going to just put so we're gonna like mix all the ingredients around so that way it will get nice and smooth. And yeah, we want to just wait until it gets all smooth and all these things go away. So what basically you're gonna do is see these chunks of flour, we're gonna wanna like simply get those out because you really don't want these chunks of flour in. Now at the same time, if this is a little too liquidy for you, then you're gonna want to add some more cheese in. Now, you can add as much cheese as you would like because that's your taste. So yeah, if you need it to be less liquidy, then I would add some more cheese. And again, any type of cheese you want, that's your favorite. Then we're still gonna slowly mix this. Make sure it's smooth. Doesn't matter what kind of cheese, it doesn't make a difference. Then we still have some more ingredients to add to our sauce. We're not done yet. Then we are going to add, we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to our sauce. Then we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to our mixture. And then also we're gonna do, so you're just gonna wanna mix that around first, and then you're gonna wanna do 1/4 teaspoon again, but of mustard, any type of mustard you want. I know that may sound gross, but you won't taste it. We promise. So you're just gonna want to mix it again, keep getting those chunks of flour out because you don't want that. And then you can add some pepper. Now again, as much as you want. Probably you should add a little, not too much pepper, but also not too little of an amount of pepper. It's just right for you. So then we're gonna put a little bit more salt in, and again, the amount depends on you. You don't have to put in the same amount as we do, but you can. Right now, you're just gonna, we drained our pasta, and now we're just going to put our pasta, our noodles, in. We're going to want to just take your noodles out and make sure that you get all of them out, and then you can like just start coating them in your cheese. Now it shouldn't take too long to make your sauce either. Yeah. So now we're just going to mix them around, make sure we get them all coated and nice and creamy and cheesy. Yeah, well, I put these are our mac and cheese, our creamy mac and cheese bowls.
And this was very easy for us to make. Let's taste it. Mmm. It's a thumbs up.